Now here are all the stuffs that you have just taken out from that box, and we can have a close look at all of these stuffs. The first thing is those wheels, and the next is the foam that we just take out, which is useless. And this one is the battery, and this one is the accessory bag. And what's inside is the instructions and a charger, which is wrapped up with the paper box, and the pedals, which is sealed with plastic. And this is a reflector. And this one is the bicycle bell. And some tools that you will need for the next step for installation. And this one is the seat. And now we are cutting the nylon ties, but you need to be aware of that there are also a lot of wires, black wires, so you need to be ensured that you don't cut the wires. And now you can follow our steps to cut those nylon ties. First cut this one, and then cut that one. And now you can remove the handlebar out of those wheels. And then keep on cutting all those nylon ties. You can follow our steps to ensure that you won't get anything wrong. And after you cut all of the nylon ties, you can remove one of the wheels, and then the next wheel. And this wire, this is an intention charge cord, which is useless. You can just throw it away.